Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by converting one sheet into a proper table. Define a header row, unique ID column, and consistent data types. Once done, make the sheet accessible programmatically by enabling the Google Sheets API or creating an app script project. Next, share the sheet with a service account or grant explicit editor/viewer permissions to the integration user. Make sure you lock header formatting and avoid merged cells so reads and writes behave predictably. You now implement the core operations. Use consistent column formats, dates in YIMMDD, numbers and booleans separated to simplify parsing. Once that's set, write app script or use the Sheets API to implement CRUD. Append new rows, read ranges with filters, and update or delete rows by unique ID rather than row number. To scale, group writes into batch updates and add local caching or query limits. This reduces API calls and avoids race conditions when multiple clients interact simultaneously. You finish by hardening the sheet. Enable data validation for key columns, protect ranges like ID, and log changes to an audit sheet or external log so you can trace updates. Once complete, automate backups exporting CSV or JSON snapshots daily. If something goes wrong, first check API quotas and error responses, then replay logs to repair partial writes and revalidate types. Finally, make sure client code retries idempotently and that you surface clear errors so fixes are straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.